Hello everyone, welcome to iOS app development training using Swift programming. Today we are going to learn Swift collection data type. There are three type of collection data type we have in a Swift: array, set and dictionary. Array are used to store ordered list of same type values, and set are unordered collection of unique values, while dictionary is again unordered but it's a key value combination. Okay, so today we will only focus on array. Array are basically an ordered list and similar type of data. Okay, the values are associated with the index. See, here you can see, so I have a list of array where there are several color: red, white, pink, blue, purple, green, and they have an index 0 to 5. So this is similar type of data, but it's in a ordered way. Okay, now let's go to the Xcode for try different functions and properties of array. See here, go to the file menu. In new option, select playground option to create a new playground file. Okay, select iOS and then blank document. Next, give here the name of Swift array. Okay, then you will get this empty file program, and we will write this code one by one. Due to the time, I have already written for you to explain. Okay, so here in the line number 3 I have mentioned that how we can create an array. We can create an empty array as well as we can create with the values predefined. Okay, so here I have an array named mark list and its data type is integer, but it is empty. There are no item in it. So whatever you mentioned in this square box, okay, by comma separate, those will be treated as a items. Go to the next. Here again I have created a variable, okay, where color array. That means this array is variable type. We can change the value later on. Once we create, we can add or remove the values. If you define as a let the constant, you won't be able to change the values once you create. Okay, so we are creating this array with these three items: red, white and pink, and they are three strings in inverted commas and between the square box. So this array is created with the three items. Now in the above line we created the mark list empty array, so we can assign the value this way. Okay, this is mark list empty array and you are assigning the integers 67, 89, 45, 56. So now both the array have items. Next is the method name is empty. We can use that method to check if our array is empty or it has item. So using the if condition, if color array dot is empty, then print this line, otherwise go this way. So we have item, so we will print the color list is not empty in the second part. Okay, next is we can count number of item in the array. So whatever the item it has, let's say here red, white, pink, so it will be 3 items. Okay, total number of item in array is 3. Now how can you print the array? You need to use for each loop, for and then item in the color array, your name of your array, and item will be here, so you print here. So the loop will goes how many items are there and it will print. See, if you run this here in the console part, you can see these three are the values, because this is the first line, second print, and here we are printing the items red, white, pink. One by one it will print. Second, if you want to get the value of particular item, then you need to define the index. So in array we know that index always start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes on. Okay, depend on the number of items. So here what we are doing is we are getting first item. Okay, for the first item we need to mention the index is 0. Okay, and then you can print the first item. So first item of array is red. And then now again you can print the array with the index and value. Here previously we did only values. Okay, now using this way we can print index as well as value. So what is the change here? For loop index comma value in this particular array and enumerated. We enumerate it. That means we just print one by one. Okay. Now it will print index and value. You can see the output here in the console. Index 0 is red, 1 is white, 2 is pink. Okay. Now you can add item. Okay, and you can remove item. So how you can add? There are different way using append method. So color array is our original array, and you can append a new item at the end because you did not mention any index. So it will automatically append at the end. Blue. Okay, now another is the plus operator. If you write color array plus equal to yellow, it will also again do the same job. Okay, yellow will be added at the end. Now if you want to add this item at particular index, then you need to mention color array index is 2 and replace the value of item with this purple. Okay, or else you can do this way. Color array insert green is the new item at index is 3. Okay, now you can remove the item also. So for remove you have a remove methods. Remove at index is nothing but a 0, 1, 2, whatever you have. Okay, remove first item, remove last item, and you can also check which item you have removed. So I just printed this item. It will say remove last is we have removed yellow. Okay, now finally you can print your entire array. Okay, which is same what we did in the above statement. For item and color array, and here is the print statement. So it will print purple, green, blue. That's it. Okay, this is your array, and you have plenty of methods to do multiple operations. Okay, on array. Thanks. Thank you so much. If you like my work and my efforts, please help, subscribe and share, and feel free to ask any question. In next lesson, we will learn about sets and dictionary in Swift. Thank you.